Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to enhance your video quality in CapCut on PC and Mac. Guys, if your video looks blurry or low quality, don't worry, just follow these simple steps. First, open CapCut on your PC or Mac. Now import your video and then select your video and drag it to the timeline. Now click on your video in the timeline, go to the adjust panel on the right side and then increase these settings a little. Saturation around 5 to 10. Contrast around 5 to 15. Sharpen around 10 to 20. And slightly increase the brightness. This will make your video look clear and sharper. Finally, click on export and set these settings. Resolution 1080p or 4K. Bitrate high. Now export your video and you will see a much better quality result. And that's it. That's how you can enhance video quality in CapCut on your Mac or PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.